What up, Vader? Didn't mean to scare you. Hey, don't even think about force choking me. Not today, buddy, alright? Hey, don't push my buttons. How you like that? Yeah, that's right, you don't. Now sit down. Well, yeah, because I don't want you standing on my seat with your dirty feet. Oh, God, that smells. Where'd you come from, Jack? Who? Oh, God. Oh, I should get around more? Why? Because I can't stand your stinky feet? Oh, Vader, I wanted to get going to the Super Bowl party, but gosh. Waiting a while to do this. Yep, now it definitely smells like a dead animal took a bath. Oh yeah, Vader, it's totally my fault. I brought in the stinky feet and then put the stinky shoes on you. I'm not playing with you. We gotta go. No, I will not apologize. I just want to go to the Super Bowl. Boy, what did I just tell? You are such a jerk. I quit. I give up. What do I do? Yeah, let's start the vehicle. Oh, really? You think it's a good idea to put my seatbelt on? Yeah? Just... Could you get... Guys, I'm not playing with you. Let go of the seatbelt. Let's try this again. Are you buckled in, buddy? Good. All right. So, about to pop the question, Vader. No, not that question. No. Yes, I know what that phrase usually means. It was a... Who do you want to win the Super Bowl? Isn't it pretty clear who I want? Matt Ryan and the Falcons, my man. #1 offense in the league. I know that Tom Brady has 4 Super Bowl rings. So let me guess. You're going for the Patriots. Hey, man, I get it. Your Oakland Raiders didn't do very good. I know. Injuries suck. Let me look at you. Kidding. Okay, a joke. Sorry. Remember the last time you made a bet? Alright, you're on. Patriots win, I'll wear a Patriots jersey for an entire day. Vice versa, if the Falcons win, you're on. Yes, I'm sure they have a shirt your size, Vader. Called Build-A-Bear. Kidding. Again. You're so going down, though.